Well, welcome back to D-Info Time.
In this video we will cover the 10 most powerful Navy vessels used by the Indian Armed Forces that amazed the globe. The Indian Navy is a part of the country's armed forces, with the President being its supreme commander. It is commanded by the Chief of Naval Staff and operates in the Persian Gulf, Malacca Strait and the Horn of Africa. The Blue Water Navy partners with naval forces of other nations for maritime exercises, showing India's prowess. It also engages in anti-piracy missions, humanitarian work and disaster relief. Indian Navy ships are routinely deployed in the South and East China Sea and the Western Mediterranean Sea. The main aim of the Indian Navy is to protect India's maritime borders with the help of other armed forces. The Navy is always ready to face threats or aggression to uphold the nation's maritime interests. The Indian Navy has around 67,252 active personnel and 75,000 reserve personnel. It has a fleet of 150 vessels and submarines and 300 aircraft. 10. INS Saryu. The INS Saryu is the largest patrol ship in the Indian Navy. It was made in India by Goa Shipyard Limited and is based in Port Blair, which is part of the Andaman and Nicobar Command. Its job is to watch over and patrol the Indian oceans to keep them safe. It also helps with stopping pirates and supporting other Navy ships. The Saryu class of patrol ships was ordered by the Navy in 2008. The Saryu took 3.5 years to build and cost $78 million. It can travel up to 6,000 kilometers without stopping and can stay at sea for 2 months straight. The ship has 8 officers and 105 sailors who operate guns, weapons, radars, and other equipment. It also has 2 inflatable boats and a helicopter. The ship has a special system to manage its power and propulsion, which can be controlled remotely. The ship weighs 2,300 tons, is 105 meters long, and 12.9 meters wide. It has 2 big diesel engines, which are the largest in the Indian Navy, and can go over 25 knots. 9. INS Kamorta. It is an anti-submarine stealth corvette from the Kamorta class, constructed for the Indian Navy. INS Kamorta was designed and built by GRSE. It was launched in 2010 and named after the island of Kamorta in the Andaman and Nicobar. Kamorta is 109 meters long and 13.7 meters broad. It displaces around 3,500 tons when it is fully loaded. Powered by 4 diesel engines, this ship was commissioned in the Navy in 2014. It can attain a speed of 32 knots, has a complement of 180 seafarers and 15 officers apart from flight crew for ASW helicopter, and an endurance of 7,400 kilometers. Made from top-quality steel, she has an array of weapons, such as main guns, missiles, anti-submarine rocket launchers, and tubes for firing torpedoes. 8. INS Talwar. INS Talwar translates to sword in Hindi and is the lead ship of the Indian Navy's Talwar class of frigates. It is the frontline warship of the Navy's Western Fleet. She was constructed in Russia, and while most of the equipment on board the vessel was made in Russia, many onboard systems are of Indian origin. Her sea trials were completed in 2002, and she was commissioned into the Navy in 2003. She is 124.8 meters long and 15.2 meters wide and has a 4.5 meters draft. She has a displacement of 3,620 tons and can attain a speed of 30 knots. She also has a complement of 180, which includes 18 officers. She is a multi-role frigate and has been a part of several missions and operations since entering service, including anti-piracy operations off the Somalian coast. She was also stationed in the Indian Ocean and visited several ports. She participated in the Malabar 2008 exercise with the US Navy and recently the Cutlass Express 2021 exercise with the French Navy. 7. INS Satpura. The 6,000-ton stealth frigate hailing from the Shivalik class is meant to seek and destroy enemies in airways, on the surface and undersea. INS Satpura is a part of the Eastern Fleet, headquartered at Vishakhapatnam. It is endowed with advanced stealth and land attack weapons. It was constructed in Mumbai at the Mazagon Dock Limited, and its keel was laid in 2002. It was launched in 2004. The ship's construction ended in 2010, and it underwent sea trials before being commissioned in the Navy in 2011. Named after the famous mountain range in India, the Satpura Range, this ship's motto is determination, pride and bravery, which it has always shown in all its missions and deployments until now. The 142.5 meters long and 16.9 meters wide ship with a 4.5 meters draft was deployed to the South China Sea and the Western Pacific Ocean in 2016, where it took part in the RIMPAC exercise with other naval vessels. 6. INS Delhi. INS Delhi, a guided missile destroyer of the Indian Navy, stands as a formidable symbol of maritime power and defense capability. Commissioned in 1997, this warship is a significant asset in India's naval fleet. She is 163 meters long and 17 meters wide with a draft of 6.5 meters and a displacement of 6,200 tons. She has a complement of 350, including 40 officers. INS Delhi plays a crucial role in safeguarding India's maritime borders and interests. Whether it's patrolling strategic sea lanes, conducting anti-piracy operations, or participating in joint naval exercises with friendly nations, the warship demonstrates India's commitment to maintaining peace and stability in the region. INS Delhi underwent upgrades from 2018 onwards, and in 2022, she entered service again with advanced sensors and a new modular launcher for the BrahMos missile, whose tests were done on board the ship in April 2022. In 2020, the ship underwent refitting again, including upgrading many weapons and sensors. One major upgrade was the addition of BrahMos missiles, which were already sanctioned in 2015. Its electronic warfare system was changed to Ellora Mk2 with Kavach launchers. Even Atlas electronic ACTAS sonar was also installed. 5. INS Kolkata. INS Kolkata is a part of the Kolkata class, also known as Project 15A, of the guided missile destroyers built for the Indian Navy. This class has two more ships, Kochi and Chennai, all constructed by Mazagon Dock Limited. They are said to be one of the biggest destroyers operated by the Indian Navy. INS Kolkata is said to be the most potent warship made in India. It measures 164 meters lengthwise and has a width of 18 meters with 7,400 tons of full load displacement. INS Kolkata has a complement of 30 officers and 300 sailors. The INS Kolkata and the other two ships of this class are a modified and a better version of the Project 15 Delhi class destroyers in terms of major design improvements, additional land attack capacity, modern sensors and advanced weapon systems, and extended use of cooperative engagement capability. The vessel has a combined gas and gas propulsion system with 4 reversible gas turbines that can attain a speed of 30 knots. It can produce enough power to light a small town. 4. INS Arihant. The Indian Navy's INS Arihant is a significant achievement in India's defense capabilities. This indigenously built nuclear-powered submarine represents a remarkable milestone in the country's journey towards self-reliance in defense technology. INS Arihant, which translates to "Destroyer of Enemies," is the lead ship of its class and the first operational ballistic missile submarine of the Indian Navy. It was commissioned in August 2016, marking a historic moment for India as it joined an elite group of nations capable of designing and constructing nuclear-powered submarines. The submarine's design and construction were kept highly secretive, reflecting India's commitment to maintaining strategic deterrence capabilities. Its development underscores India's ambition to enhance its maritime security and safeguard its national interests. Arihant is 111 meters long and has a 15 meters beam with a speed of 24 knots when submerged. It can carry 95 to 100 officers. It has 4 vertical launch tubes to carry 12 smaller K-15 or 4 bigger K-4 missiles. 3. INS Chakra. The Indian Navy's INS Chakra is a significant asset in the country's defense arsenal. INS Chakra is a nuclear-powered submarine leased from Russia, adding a formidable dimension to India's maritime capabilities. This submarine has a fascinating history and plays a crucial role in India's defense strategy. INS Charka is a 111 meters long and 13 meters wide nuclear-powered attack submarine of the Indian Navy. INS Chakra is a part of India's efforts to enhance its naval power. It is classified as a nuclear-powered attack submarine, meaning it can operate silently and for extended periods underwater, making it a stealthy and potent force in maritime operations. Its nuclear propulsion gives it the ability to cover long distances without needing to surface frequently for refueling, thus extending its operational range and endurance. It finally entered into service in 2009 with the Russian Navy. It was leased to India in 2011, and after many trials, it was commissioned into service as INS Chakra at a ceremony held on April 4, 2012. 2. INS Vikrant. This aircraft carrier was built in the Kochi shipyard in Kerala, India. It is named after the country's first aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant. Vikrant translates to brave in Sanskrit and aligns with the ship's motto, I dare fear those who fight against me. The aircraft carrier is 262 meters long and 62 meters broad, displacing about 45,000 tons. It has a top speed of 28 knots and an endurance of 7,500 nanometers. It has 2,300 compartments operated by 1,700 seamen. It also has a hospital, cabins for female officers, corridors spanning 8 kilometers and 8 generators that can light a city of 2 million. Work on INS Vikrant began in 1999, and its keel was laid in 2009. It was launched in 2013 and completed trials in 2020, with sea trials ending in 2021. It was finally commissioned in September 2022. Flight trials of its aircraft will be completed this year. The project cost 23,000 crore at the time of sea trials, which is about $3.2 billion United States dollars. It can carry an air group comprising 36 aircraft and has a STOBAR configuration along with anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare abilities. It can also conduct search and rescue operations. Its CMS was developed by Tata Advanced Systems, making it the first combat management system made for the Navy by a private company. 1. INS Vikramaditya. A Kiev-class aircraft carrier, INS Vikramaditya is the flagship of the Indian Navy. It was constructed as Baku and served the Soviet Navy and then the Navy of Russia. However, India acquired it after many negotiations and upgraded the ship, which completed her sea trials in 2013 and entered service the same year. Said to be one of the biggest ships of the Indian Navy, INS Vikramaditya has an LOA of 284 meters and a maximum beam of 60 meters, spanning an area equivalent to about 3 big football fields. It stands 20 stories tall from its keel to its highest point. The size of this 44,500-ton mega steel structure is enough to leave one open mouth. It has 22 decks and around 1,600 personnel. It is literally a floating city with an operational range of over 7,000 nautical miles or 13,000 kilometers. The ship can carry more than 30 aircraft, with the MiG-29K Swing Roll fighter being the main offensive platform. It also has advanced launch and recovery systems to enable smooth and efficient launching of aircraft. It has a computer-aided action information organization system providing life into the onboard combat systems. The state-of-the-art LESOR-UBA system collects data from the ship's sensors and presents it as tactical pictures after processing it.